Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to remove contacts from your Telegram on Android mobile phone. So let's begin our process. Open your Telegram app. After it opens, you will see the three lines at the left top. Tap on these lines. Now tap on the option Settings. In Setting, tap on the option Privacy and Security. Scroll it down. So now tap on this option. After tapping on this option, you will see this will remove your contacts from the Telegram servers. Now tap on the option Delete. So after deleting all the contacts from here, simply close the Telegram app and then reopen the Telegram app. So as you see, my all contact from my Telegram has been deleted without these two. Remember one thing, when you will delete all the contact from your Telegram, all the contact will be deleted except your chat. Your chat will remain the same as it was before deleting the contact from your Telegram. Join the Screenshot Squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.